All right. So you've seen problems like this where oh, there's that little factoring shortcut, something, right? It's either, you know, this one gives you 3x plus 2, 3x minus 2, or it's the second one. Like, which one is it that gives us that? So let's take a look and see if we can figure out like how to know which is which. Um, well, let's take this answer. We know this is like the factored form of one of those because that's how the shortcut works. And let's multiply it back together. Let's see. 3x times 3x, that's 9x squared. 3x times negative 2 is negative 6x. 2 times 3x is positive 6x. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. All right, so we combine like terms. We've got a 9x squared, negative 6x plus 6x. That's 0. So those just cancel out. And then minus 4. That is this one. That means this is the factored form, and this does not work. So there's a reason that your, teacher is saying, nope, this is not factorable, or this is not the right answer. If you're putting the 3x plus 2 and 3x minus 2 for these with the plus sign, it's because it simply doesn't work. If you multiply those two things together, you should get 9x squared minus 4. You're never going to be able to multiply something smaller here and get 9x squared plus 4. It's not factorable. So it's just another reason why this is called the difference of two squares is because it's only a difference. It only works when you're subtracting. All right. I hope that helps. I'll see you next time.